Hi everyone, it's Danielle, and we've all been there, right? Been on the toilet for a while, and then someone needs to go immediately after, and then, well, we tell them, you better wait a while, but they don't, and it's a very unpleasant experience for both people. Well, I have an answer to this problem. There is an inexpensive and natural spray that we can make to combat this dilemma. The number 2 spray, which is sprayed before you go. So the first item you will need is a brown or blue glass spray bottle. So these are best because they allow the oils to not be affected by sunlight and the oils do not eat away at the glass. And then there are 3 other ingredients. You need distilled water or cooled boiled water. Then you'll need some vegetable glycerin like this and the essential oil of your choice. So the recipe is you open up this and you put in the amount. This is a small glass spray bottle. Generally, it's best to have 120 mils. So in a 120 ml glass spray bottle, you would add 100 mils of distilled water, 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, and 50 drops of the essential oils of your choice. So there are lots of different examples you can have of essential oils. So what you want to do is you want to put all the ingredients into here. You shake it before spraying, and you spray 4 sprays in the toilet bowl before doing your business, and then enjoy the aroma experience in the bathroom. It's much better. So the essential oil options you could have are, number 1, you could have 10 drops rosemary, 10 drops lemongrass, 20 drops lavender, or you could have 25 drops eucalyptus, 25 drops peppermint, or you could have 25 drops citrus fresh, 25 drops geranium, or 50 drops purification, or 25 drops eucalyptus and 25 drops of lemon. So vegetable glycerin is needed as it allows the oils to disperse in the water while in the spray bottle. Also, the vegetable glycerin sits on top while creating an invisible barrier to keep the odors underneath. So the spray is shaken and then used before you do your business into the toilet bowl. And if you cannot find vegetable glycerin at the health food shop, then you could use witch hazel, vodka, or olive oil in its place. This would not be as effective, but still an option to allow dispersal. So in place of distilled water, you could use boiled water that is cooled, but distilled water is best. So if you want to use the Thieves spray bottle, this is 30 mils, so this is actually a plastic that's designed for essential oils, then you'll need to quarter all the ingredients. So it'd be 25 mils distilled water, 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, and then 12 drops of essential oil blend. So give me a like if you're going to make the number 2 spray, and comment with your favorite essential oil suggestions for this recipe. Have a great one. Bye.